Hello everyone, welcome to Maths Friendly. For few months I will be teaching on the study table instead of that whiteboard as I have to change the setup of my classroom. So please kindly cooperate with me and rest everything will be as earlier. Now let's begin the class. In today's class we will do question number 1 of exercise 2.3 from second chapter whole numbers from 6th class maths NCERT book. Now let us read the question. The question is, which of the following will not represent 0? There are 4 options given, A, B, C and D. Okay, out of these 4 options we have to find which of these 4 will not represent 0, means which of the 4 will not be equal to 0. The solution will be, the solution of this question, let us take the first option. The first option is 1 plus 0. 1 plus 0 is equal to how much? When 1 is added to 0, it gives 1. The second option is 0 multiplied by 0. When we multiply 0 by 0, we get 0. The third option is 0 by 2, means 0 divided by 2. Okay. So in this rough space I will explain you how to divide 0 by 2. See, we will not take 0, seems to be difficult for some students. So let us see if we divide any number by 2. Any number means, suppose let us take 10. 10 is divided by 2. So what do? We divide 10 by 2. 10 comes 5 times. 2 5s are 10. So it is 10. 10 minus 10 is 0. So the remainder is 0. It means the answer is 5. The quotient is 5. The answer is 5. Okay. Now if we divide 0 by 2, means what? 0 is divided by 2. Okay. So how we will write? See, here we know that 2 5s are 10. So we did this division, but 0 comes how many times in 2's table? See, 2 zeros are 0, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, like that we can do. So 2 zeros are 0. In 2's table 0 comes 0 times. Okay, so 2 zeros are 0. Now the remainder will be 0. So here the answer is what? Here the answer we got is 0. So when 0 is divided by 2, the answer is 0. The quotient is 0, means the answer is 0. So we can write it 0. Okay. Now the last option, which is D. 10 minus 10 by 2. How much? 10 minus 10 is 0. 0 divided by 2. So 0 divided by 2 we have seen it is 0. Okay. So the answer is 0. In this also we got 0 answer. Here also we got 0, and in part D also we got 0. Only in A we have not got 0. We got the answer as 1. So the question is, which of the following will not represent 0? See, this represents 0. This C part also represents 0, means C part is equal to 0. This equals to 0. This also equals to 0. Only this one is not equal to 0. It means it doesn't represent 0. So the answer will be A. Which of the following will not represent 0? Means the first option will not represent 0. So what can we write? We can write it like A 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. This does not represent 0 because this represents 1. Okay, this does not represent 0. It means this is not equal to 0. It is equal to 1. If you like my teaching, then share the video with your friends and relatives and subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that you can get notification of the upcoming videos. Meet you in the next class. Till then, take care. Bye.